everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Squarespace to Vercel. So the first step that you have to do is to access Squarespace DNS. So log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the settings and then just tap on domains. So from there, just click on the domain that you want to connect to Vercel and then select DNS settings or advanced settings. So you will need to access the DNS records section where you can add custom A records and CNAME records. So make sure that you have admin access to modify these settings. Next step is to set up Vercel Project. So go to your Vercel dashboard and select the project that you want to connect. And then just navigate to the settings, tap on domains, and click add domain, and just enter the Squarespace domain name, like for example, yourdomain.com. So Vercel will provide you with the specific DNS records that you need to add. Typically an A record pointing to Vercel's IP address. So let's say for example this one, and a CNAME record for the www subdomain. Next step is to configure DNS records. So back in the Squarespace DNS settings, add the records provided by the Vercel. So for A records, set host to @ and value to 76.76, that one. So just copy that one. And for the CNAME record, set host to www and value to cname.vercel-dns.com. And then remove any conflicting records that point to Squarespace servers. So from there, just click save after adding each record. So the DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate. Next step is to verify domain connection. So return to your Vercel dashboard and click verify next to the domain, and then the Vercel will check if the DNS records are configured correctly. So if verification fails, double check your DNS records in the Squarespace and wait a bit longer for propagation. So you can use tools like DNS Checker to monitor propagation status. Once verified, the Vercel will show a green check mark next to your domain. Lastly is to enable SSL certificate. So once your domain is verified, the Vercel will automatically provision an SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt to enable HTTPS. And then this usually takes a few minutes, so you will see your certificate status change to active in your domain settings. So your site is now live on the custom Squarespace domain with HTTPS. So you can test visiting both the HTTPS yourdomain.com and HTTPS yourdomain.com, which is this one, to ensure that everything works correctly. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!